Are you ready to dive into the heart of Florence, Italy, where every street corner boasts centuries of art, history, and a food scene that will leave your taste buds dancing? Hold off on packing your bags because we're about to take you on a whirlwind 2-day journey through Florence. Keep watching as we uncover the city's hidden treasures and offer insider tips that will turn your trip from just another vacation into an epic adventure. From the shadows of the Duomo to the sun-kissed banks of the Arno, we've got the keys to unlock the best of Florence. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more thrilling travel guides and adventures from every corner of the planet. Best time to visit. The ideal time to explore Florence is from April to June and September to October when the weather is blissfully mild and the city is adorned with the vibrant colors of spring and autumn. These months offer the perfect backdrop for outdoor explorations, avoiding the peak summer crowds and the scorching heat, allowing for a more intimate experience with the city's treasures. City airport tips. Arriving at Florence's Amerigo Vespucci Airport, located just a few miles from the city center, sets the stage for your adventure. Navigate this compact airport with ease and catch a taxi or the tram via T2 line to reach the heart of the city in about 20 minutes for approximately $6, offering a smooth transition to your Florentine escapade. Where to stay in Florence? Nestled in the enchanting regions of Florence, the districts of Duomo and Santa Croce are the jewels for travelers seeking the quintessence of Florence's vibrancy. Here, accommodations range from luxurious hotels averaging $150 to $300 per night to charming bed and breakfasts, providing easy access to Florence's iconic landmarks and a true taste of Florentine living. How to get around Florence. Florence's historic center is a pedestrian's dream, with most major attractions within walking distance. For longer journeys, the ATAF bus service offers comprehensive coverage of the city. A single ticket costs about $1.50, while a 48-hour pass priced at $12 is perfect for unrestricted exploration. Alternatively, renting a bicycle for around $10 per day offers a delightful way to navigate Florence's picturesque streets at your own pace. Day 1. Discovering the heart of Florence. Morning, Piazza della Repubblica. Kick off your 2-day Florence adventure by making a beeline for Piazza della Repubblica. This plaza isn't just one of Florence's hotspots, it's a magnet for visitors from all around, especially as the day progresses. So catching its charm in the early hours is a smart move. Scattered around the square, you'll find cozy cafes and eateries, perfect for sipping on what could easily be the best cup of coffee you've ever tasted. And if the timing's right, you might even catch a glorious sunrise to start your day. Piazza della Repubblica stands out as a central piece in Florence's urban tapestry, drawing crowds for good reason. While you're there, don't forget to look out for the Column of Abundance, a nod to the 15th century and the ancient Roman Forum's location. Mid-morning, Duomo. Absolutely, if there's one adventure you embark on from this Florence guide, climbing to the top of the Duomo is a must. It stands out as a top highlight for any 2-day visit to Florence. Nestled within the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, the Duomo's history stretches back to the 13th century. This architectural masterpiece was once the largest dome in the world, a testament to its grandeur and significance. To secure your spot for this incredible climb, it's wise to purchase tickets in advance. They're timed entries, so arriving about 10 to 15 minutes early is a good rule of thumb to ensure you're ready to ascend with your group. The journey up involves 463 steps, but don't worry, it's manageable with several spots to pause and catch your breath. Tickets start at about $20, granting you access not only to the Duomo, but to other cathedral attractions as well. Interested in exploring the dome with an expert? Consider booking a guided tour that includes skip-the-line access. The climb itself is surprisingly doable, with rest stops along the way, including one beneath the dome. Here, you can marvel at the stunning frescoes adorning the interior, a highlight of the ascent. Reaching the summit rewards you with panoramic views of Florence, extending to the Tuscan hills. A protective barrier ensures everyone's safety, even those wary of heights. Be prepared for a bit of a wait at the top, possibly 20 to 30 minutes, to fully enjoy the vista. But trust me, the sweeping views of Florence are well worth the wait. Lunch. Osteria all'Antico Vinaio is, without a doubt, the crown jewel of sandwich shops in Florence, boasting an impressive tally of over 20,000 Google reviews. Operating hours stretch from 10 a.m. to 10:30 p.m., but be warned, the popularity of this spot often means you'll be greeted by a sizable queue. Here's a little insider tip for you. To beat the rush, aim to drop by just as they open their doors. Venture in any time after lunch and you might find yourself in a bit of a wait before you can sink your teeth into one of their mouth-watering sandwiches. Tracing its roots back to 1989, this beloved eatery emerged from the charming confines of an ancient wine cellar, adding an irresistible layer of charm to your dining experience. Craving a particular sandwich? Chances are they've got exactly what you're after on their diverse menu. Seating inside is quite limited, so most folks grab their sandwich to go. Why not take a short stroll to the nearby Piazza della Signoria? It's the perfect spot to enjoy your meal amidst the beauty of Florence. It's like having a little picnic in the heart of the city. Afternoon. The Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. The stunning Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, affectionately known as the Florence Cathedral, has been a cornerstone of the city since the 13th century. It's the crown jewel of Florence, towering over the cityscape and capturing the hearts of all who visit. The magnificent Duomo, the cathedral's iconic dome, is a sight to behold. While there's a small fee to explore the Duomo, you'll be delighted to know that entering the cathedral itself won't cost you a dime. Due to its popularity and free entry, you might find yourself in a queue for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on when you drop by during your 2-day Florentine adventure. But trust me, it's entirely worth the wait. The interior is simply breathtaking. Don't miss out on the chance to venture beneath the cathedral too. There, you can peek into Florence's ancient past and marvel at the ruins that lie beneath the city's bustling streets. Scrub the snout of Fontana del Porcellino. The Porcellino Fountain, affectionately known as the Little Pig, stands as a beloved highlight in Florence, drawing visitors to the bustling Mercato Nuovo just a stone's throw from the iconic Ponte Vecchio. Crafted in bronze by Pietro Tacca, this charming wild boar fountain finds its origins in a Hellenistic marble boar, a precious gift from Pope Pius IV to Cosimo I, displayed with pride in the Uffizi Gallery. A peek at this marble marvel is a must-do on your second day in Florence. Diving into local folklore, the Porcellino Fountain invites you to partake in 2 whimsical traditions. First, try your luck by placing a coin in the boar's mouth, watching eagerly as it tumbles down, aiming for the grate below. A successful drop promises a stroke of good fortune. Secondly, give the boar's snout a friendly rub, a gesture believed to guarantee your return to Florence. This explains the snout's remarkable shine, polished by countless hopeful hands over the years. With the golden hour approaching, consider meandering through Mercato Nuovo. This covered market, renowned for its exquisite leather goods, offers an array of belts, bags, and unique souvenirs. Here's a pro tip. If you've been dreaming of owning an authentic Italian leather bag, this market offers the perfect opportunity to find one that speaks to your style. Evening, Ponte Vecchio at sunset. Ponte Vecchio isn't just any bridge, it's the heart of Florence's charm, known for its unique shops that have transitioned from selling produce and meat to offering souvenirs and jewelry. As the Arno River's first bridge, originally built and then rebuilt in 1345 after a flood, it's a must-visit for its rich history and stunning views, especially at sunset. Strolling across Ponte Vecchio is an essential Florence experience, offering incredible sunset vistas. For the perfect photo, catch the bridge bathed in golden light from the neighboring bridge. Craving something sweet? Head to the Gelateria La Carraia nearby. Their gelato is legendary, making it a top pick for both locals and visitors. Insider tip: for a serene experience, visit at dawn. The early light and calm atmosphere offer a magical perspective of Florence waking up, providing a tranquil moment to cherish. Dinner. For a memorable dinner in Florence, Osteria del Proconsolo is a culinary gem you shouldn't miss. Nestled in the heart of the city, this restaurant offers a cozy atmosphere and a menu that sings praises to Tuscan cuisine. The must-try dish is their bistecca alla fiorentina, a thick, succulent T-bone steak cooked over open flames, a true Florentine delicacy priced around $50 USD for two. Pair it with a glass of Chianti, approximately $6 USD, to elevate your dining experience. The fusion of rich flavors, warm ambiance, and attentive service makes Osteria del Proconsolo the perfect spot to conclude your day in Florence. Day 2. Florence's natural and artistic wonders. Morning. Piazzale Michelangelo. Piazzale Michelangelo takes the crown as the ultimate spot for sweeping views of Florence. What makes it even more special than the view from the Duomo? You get the iconic Duomo itself in your panorama. While most flock here to catch the sunset, switch things up and embrace the tranquility of sunrise instead. Getting there is part of the adventure. You can choose a brisk 30-minute walk up a steep hill, hop on a bus, or drive if you prefer convenience. Each option offers its own experience leading up to the grand reveal. Witnessing Florence spread out beneath the early morning light from Piazzale Michelangelo is an unforgettable highlight and a must-do during your 2-day visit. Insider tip. For an extra touch of magic, bring a small picnic breakfast to enjoy as the city awakens. There's something truly special about having this iconic view almost to yourself, with the soft morning light painting the historic buildings in warm hues. Giardino delle Rose. Tucked away just beneath Piazza Michelangelo, the Giardino delle Rose offers a tranquil escape with its enchanting rose garden. Free to all, it's the perfect spot to unwind and soak in nature's beauty away from the city's hustle and bustle. Established in 1865, this garden boasts over 400 varieties of roses, making it a fragrant paradise for flower enthusiasts. If you're looking for a serene spot for a morning picnic, this is it. Mid-morning, Uffizi Gallery. Spending 2 days in Florence? You've got to check out the Uffizi Gallery. Open since the 16th century, this art museum is a treasure trove of masterpieces. Not only will you find Botticelli's iconic Birth of Venus, but you'll also be dazzled by works from legends like Leonardo, Raphael, Michelangelo, and Caravaggio. Make sure to book your tickets ahead of time, with prices ranging from $11 to $18 USD, depending on when you visit. And if you're keen on delving deeper into the stories behind these incredible artworks, why not opt for a guided tour? It's a great way to get the full scoop. Plan to spend a good few hours here to soak it all in, but keep an eye on the time. You don't want to miss out on the other exciting stops on your Florence adventure. Afternoon, Piazza della Signoria. Nestled just behind the Uffizi Gallery, Piazza della Signoria is a historic heartthrob of Florence, making it a perfect spot to wander through after immersing yourself in the museum's wonders. This square is a treasure trove of unique artworks, including the majestic Fountain of Neptune by Bartolomeo Ammanati and the striking equestrian monument of Cosimo I by Guillaume Bologna. You'll also be greeted by a replica of Michelangelo's David at the entrance of Palazzo Vecchio, offering a taste of Renaissance genius. While the original David stands proudly in the Galleria dell'Accademia, a tight schedule might mean missing out on this marvel during a quick 2-day visit. However, if a spare moment arises, adding the Galleria to your itinerary is a fabulous idea. Just remember, booking your tickets in advance is crucial. An adult ticket is around $22 USD. But let's circle back to Piazza della Signoria. To the right of Palazzo Vecchio lies the open-air sculpture wonderland of Loggia dei Lanzi. Crafted by Orcagna in 1376, this space now hosts incredible statues like Perseus with the head of Medusa and the Rape of the Sabines. If time allows, exploring the museum inside Palazzo Vecchio is also a must. Evening, Boboli Gardens and Pitti Palace. Boboli Gardens stands out as one of Florence's most stunning parks, A 16th century creation initially designed for the illustrious Medici family, it wasn't until the late 18th century that its paths were opened to the public, setting the stage for it to become an inspiration for countless other Italian gardens that followed. Nestled right next to the majestic Pitti Palace, or Palazzo Pitti, a 15th century marvel that once housed both the Medicis and the Pittis, the garden offers a glimpse into royal life. Entry to the Pitti Palace is about $11 USD, while the Boboli Gardens ticket is approximately $6.5 USD. Sadly, there's no combined ticket for both attractions, so you'll need to grab them separately in advance. Dinner. Cap off your Florence adventure with a delightful dinner at Osteria del Fiore, a fantastic Tuscan eatery nestled beside the stunning Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Enjoy exquisite Italian cuisine with a breathtaking view, all at a comfortable mid-range price. To snag the best spot, aim to arrive around 5 p.m., dodging the dinner crowd. Prices for a hearty meal start at around $25 USD per person. After your meal, step next door to Grom, a beloved gelato spot, and indulge in a creamy treat for about $5 USD while the sun dips behind the cathedral. Insider tip: don't miss Osteria del Fiore's signature dish, the truffle pasta, a luxurious blend of flavors that's a feast for the senses, perfectly capturing the essence of Tuscan culinary excellence. And that wraps up our unforgettable journey through Florence in just 2 days. We hope you've been inspired to explore the Renaissance city's stunning art, rich history, and culinary delights for yourself. Remember, the insider tips we shared are your secret weapon to experiencing Florence like a true local. Thank you for joining us on this incredible adventure. If you loved discovering Florence with us, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with fellow travel enthusiasts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting destinations. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and let the world surprise you. Arrivederci!